So we click the buy and we're going to create a demand. What does it mean to create a demand? To create a demand is to ask for a produce, and this notification will be sent to the farmers that have that produce that you're demanding for. So we can click add item. Let's say we are looking for sweet potato, right? We're demanding for sweet potato. The quantity would like 200. The unit will be in kgs. Frequency will be in a month. If it's certified or not, so uncertified, whereby it says certified means that this produce are verified under organization, but from my farm does not certify them, so it could be uncertified. Transportation, do you have your transportation or you don't have? So either needed or not needed, so I'll say not needed here. And of course I would want potatoes from Uganda. So you can specify the district or province, but I'm going to leave it open to the country and say add item. So this is how a demand is created, and it's sent to all the farmers that have sweet potato.